Hey, good morning everyone. Myself Aryan Ghoshal and आप देख रहे हैं आपका अपना चैनल घोषाल आर्यन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फिजिक्स में आपका स्वागत है and I hope in this winter season you all are fine. So let's start today's topic. Today I am going to start a new chapter, a new topic which is atmosphere and its layer and its different layers. So let's start. Atmosphere at its layer. So at first we will discuss about the terms of atmosphere. I hope all you are familiar with these terms atmosphere, but nobody has the perfect knowledge of atmosphere. So I want to see at first definitions of atmosphere. Atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Okay. First question is that what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is a thick blanket of mixture of gases or air which surrounds the earth, which is known as earth atmosphere. Atmosphere किसको बोलते हैं? Atmosphere एक thick blanket है. It is a thick blanket of mixture of gases which surrounds the earth, known as atmosphere. एक क्या है? Atmosphere is a thick blanket which surrounds the earth, known as atmosphere. Suppose it is an earth, then a thick blanket over here which is known as atmosphere. And the thickness of this atmosphere is 700 kilometer. How much thickness? Thickness is 700 kilometer. And this atmosphere is made of different gases, mixture of gases, we can say mixture of gases, or we can say that air. Different gases मिलकर ये बना हुआ एटमॉस्फेयर, या बोल सकते हैं एयर है. ये लेयर क्या है? एयर का लेयर है. एंड वी कैन सी डिफरेंट लेयर ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर आल्सो. वी कैन सी डिफरेंट लेयर of the atmosphere. So this is about atmosphere. Atmosphere is the thick blanket. You can see that this is the thick blanket over here up above the earth, and it is made of, we can say that mixture of gases which surrounds the earth, which is known as earth atmosphere, and thickness is that 700 kilometer. एंड जैसा कि आपने देखा है किसी भी चीज को ऊपर की ओर जब फेंकते हैं तो वो क्या होता है? नीचे की ओर डाउनवर्ड फॉल करते हैं. इफ एनीथिंग विल बी थ्रोन इन अपसाइड देन इट विल कम्स इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन. व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. सो अर्थ के अब जो एटमॉस्फेयर यहाँ पे हिट कर रहा है, ये बिकॉज ऑफ ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. इसकी वजह से ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स की वजह से. So gravitational force की वजह से अर्थ का एटमॉस्फेयर हिट कर रहा है. Now we have to know about the different layers of atmosphere. Let's different layer of atmosphere. Okay, different layer of atmosphere. So if it is earth and this one is atmosphere, then it has some layer. So atmosphere contains 5 layers. Atmosphere contains how many layers? 5 layers. So 4, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here. atmosphere contains 5 layers, which is first one is that troposphere, and second one is that stratosphere, third one is that mesosphere, fourth one is thermosphere, and fifth one is that exosphere. So these are the name of the layers of atmosphere. First one is troposphere, second one is the stratosphere, third one is mesosphere, fourth one is thermosphere, and fifth one is that exosphere. So at first we will discuss about the troposphere. What is troposphere? Troposphere is the first layer of atmosphere from the earth, and which contains the 80% mass of the atmosphere, and we can say that all the climatic change in this layer. What is the troposphere? It is the first layer from the earth. So first layer from the earth, we can see that this layer, and which is known as troposphere. This is the first layer from the earth, which is known as troposphere, and it contains 80% mass. How many mass? 80% mass of atmosphere, and all the life possible because of this layer, life in this layer, and we can see that climatic change will in this layer. So this is troposphere. Okay, so if we want to write about troposphere, then we can write that troposphere is the first layer of atmosphere from the earth. कितना नंबर लेयर है? फर्स्ट लेयर फ्रॉम द अर्थ, एंड वी कैन से दैट इट contains 80% mass of atmosphere. Atmosphere का कितना मास कंटेन करता है? 80% mass, and all climatic change in this layer. Okay, and fourth number is that life in this layer. So these are the features, these are the properties we can say that about the troposphere. And now we have to know about the stratosphere. Second one is that stratosphere. What is stratosphere? It is the second layer of the atmosphere from the earth. We can see that this is the second layer. This is the second layer of atmosphere from the earth, which is known as stratosphere. And which contains ozone layer, and which protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. We can say that ultraviolet rays of the sun, and it's work like a shield. एक shield के मतलब जैसा काम करता है, ये हमारे अर्थ को प्रोटेक्ट करता है अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज से या हार्मफुल रेज फ्रॉम द सन which comes from the sun. It will protect. That is stratosphere. We can write that about stratosphere. We can write about stratosphere that it is the second layer of atmosphere from the earth. कितना नंबर का लेयर है? सेकेंड लेयर है, एंड इट कंटेन्स ओजोन लेयर will contain, and which protects earth from harmful rays। हार्मफुल रेज से ये हमें प्रोटेक्ट करता है। नाउ वी हैव टू नो अबाउट द थर्ड लेयर व्हिच इज मेसोस्फीयर। What is mesosphere? This is the third layer of the atmosphere from the earth. It means third layer means this layer. This layer is the first, second, third. This layer is the third layer of the atmosphere, which is known as mesosphere, and it is coldest layer. It is the coldest layer of the atmosphere. It is the coldest layer of the atmosphere, and all the meteors which will come from the space burns up in this layer। जो भी meteors ऊपर से स्पेस से आते हैं वो आकर किसपे, इसमें फ्रिक्शन के कारण क्या होता है, बर्न होके यहीं पे खत्म हो जाता है, और डस्ट पार्टिकल्स के एज ए डस्ट पार्टिकल्स इट विल फॉल्स ऑन आवर सरफेस, वी कांट फील इफेक्ट ऑफ इट। सो व्हाट इज द मेसोस्फीयर? Mesosphere is the third layer of atmosphere from the earth। अर्थ से कितना नंबर का लेयर है? थर्ड लेयर है एटमॉस्फेयर का। इज द coldest layer, and all the meteors comes from space burn up in this layer। इस लेयर में बर्न हो जाते हैं। सो दिस इज अबाउट द मेसोस्फीयर। वी डिस्कस अबाउट द फोर्थ लेयर व्हिच इज थर्मोस्फीयर। Thermosphere is the fourth layer of the atmosphere from the earth। The fourth number layer of the atmosphere, and it is hottest layer we can say। It reaches up to 2000 degrees Celsius। We can write that thermosphere number 4, thermosphere, which is fourth number layer of atmosphere from the earth। अर्थ से कितने नंबर का लेयर है? फोर्थ नंबर का लेयर है, and it is the hottest layer। सबसे गर्म लेयर यही है, hottest layer। It can reach 2000 degree Celsius temperature। So this is about the thermosphere। Now we have to know about the fifth number layer which is exosphere। What is exosphere? Exosphere is the fifth number layer of atmosphere, and we can say that outermost layer, and all the satellites are often to send here, and the air is very thin in this layer। Air will be very thin in this layer। So we can write that about exosphere, which is number 5, exosphere। What is exosphere? It is the outermost layer of the atmosphere। Atmosphere का outermost layer we can say, and satellites are often to sit in this layer, and air will be very thick in this layer। So this is about the different layers of atmosphere। सो दिस इज अबाउट टुडेज टॉपिक। इसी तरह इजी वे में स्टडी करने के लिए हमारे चैनल के साथ बने रहिए, साथ ही लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।